Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am making papri. First add 3 cups of all-purpose plain flour to a bowl. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. And mix it all together. Now add half a cup of ghee and mix with your hands until it forms a crumbly texture. I'm slowly going to add 1 cup of water. You might need more or you might need less. Your dough should look like this. Now cover with cling foil and let your dough rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead your dough once more. Now thinly roll out your dough. And now I'm going to cut it into squares, but you can do any shape or size you like. Poke each piece with a fork and they're ready to fry. When your oil is hot, fry your dough on low flame. Make sure you turn them around so they cook evenly on both sides. When they are golden brown, you can take them out and store them in an airtight container for around a month. Your papris are now ready. Thank you for watching.